There's a CCTV. Wherever I have wanted to appease the people, I have given a CCTV. Some another party wanted to appease, they have given the CCTV. And therefore, actual usage and configuration with the local police was not happening. 2 months rigorous exercise by the DCP. I am thankful to Mr. Chaudhary. Him and his team, we found out exactly from all 3 police stations, A, where the location should be, B, what type of CCTV camera it should be, 3, what type of configuration and software needed for it, and 4, how it should be uplinked to the local police station. So that entire thing has been, homework has been done. Around 322 cameras needed for the only Bandra assembly. The state government is doing their job by calling a tender from L&T for the entire Mumbai, which you must have read in the newspaper. But out of that entire thing, Mr. Rao is also there, whose business is of CCTV. Bandra and this part of suburb can only get around 27 CCTV cameras from the state government's team. But if you can do all 322, then the Bandra car Santa Cruz, we can get any information, any car vehicle number, the face of the person, everything can be addressed properly. So that homework has been done. The fund was required very huge, more than 2 crore rupees and above. So somebody's CSR fund is required for that. Successfully, the company's name Heiser or Heifer? Higher and Reliance. We made a representation, they have agreed. So within 2 months' time, I can start the work with the CSR fund of them and the Bandra car Santa Cruz, same Bandra car Santa Cruz we can claim, and we can start that CCTV work, configuration work for the entire area. One more work was needed, is about the lighting, means street lights. We have done a homework and we found out that the legitimate lux effect of the street lights and actual effect, there is a vast difference. So we have a street light, but the effect of that street light is so low that the illumination and the lux level is not proper. So for the entire H West ward, I have proposed LED and solar both. LED, and my submission is very clear that white LED gives you the all effect of the human's face with the CCTV or the car numbers and everything, rather than yellow LEDs. So that proposal has been submitted from the again BMC's fund, maybe 6-7 months more. I cannot give the word, but I am hopeful that 6-7 months the HOS ward will be the first ward where the LED and better illumination and lux level can be achieved. I have pursued about the same as far as the HOS ward is concerned. Now the water issue and water scarcity is also issue as far as the building slums for both the areas. HOS ward, after our persuasion, has been taken into as a pilot project for BMC for 24/7. The homework from last 7 months is going on. Those who follow on my social media and Twitter, they can find out how many meetings I must have taken for the same. The illegal connection needs to be tapped. The leakage needs to be tapped. Those who follow my Twitter, they can understand that I have given the figures also. How many visible, how many invisible leakages has been tapped after we have started in these 6-7 months. The illegal construction has been also removed. So within July 2016 is a deadline. After that, the 24/7 means when you open the tap, you will get the water, BMC water. That can be achieved, that has assurance given by BMC. So that is my long-term project which I wanted to achieve as far as the HOS ward is concerned. Friends, there are many more apart from that, from MLA, MP fund we are trying to achieve. There are state government conveyance issue which is in the pipeline. The state government's coastal road issue for the easing of the traffic is concerned. The state government's issue pertaining to the CTS office, how it needs to be more friendly to the citizens, and e-governance and e-models, on which issue also I am working with the state government. I only wanted to point out one thing. Many things which is needed to be addressed to have the effect for a better living, I am working day and night about the same. Small issues which is getting needs to be addressed from the local issues, I am available for the same. Which may be about hawkers, which may be about gardens, which may be about removing the illegal construction. With the pace of BMC, sometimes we need to go. But from my side, I am 24/7 on that job. I have dreamed the entire constituency the way I have projected it to you. And I can assure you with fullest conviction that before going to the next election, I will be a distinction holder student. So more than 70% of this work will be completed, and then I will request all of you that I will campaign less. You should campaign more for me to get the vote. But vote apart, this is the dream which we have seen for the entire constituency. Apart from many issues about Mount Mary Fair, so many other issues which I don't want to name here, there can be a difference of opinion or otherwise. And the important issue about the development plan of the HOS ward, you can physically see, and you can also talk about the same of entire area will be a different ratio, and HOS ward as far as restaurant issues, commercial issues, no parking issues, no restaurant issues will be reflected in this development plan, because from last 3-4 months I am also working very quietly on all these issues. So by keeping all religions harmony, by removing all illegalities, and from my side, don'ts also, the do's I have explained you, the don'ts also I should explain you, because from my side MLA I have decided that I will not engage into as a developer, as a construction. None of my personal interest projects or work will be a part of this HOS ward. And C, hawkers and encroachments is a no from my side. And the lastly and most importantly, the first time in the Bandra Assembly, the SIT has been established to find out the illegal migrants, especially the Bangladeshis, because that are occupying many space in Bandra and Khar. So we have pursued. SP Special Branch 2 has been given a job. Some people has been deported. 7 people in Bandra Assembly has been deported to Bangladesh. Please understand, to deport one person, to find out one person, it takes time. Your MLA has done all that effort by not going into the vote bank politics, pursued it. So that work has also been going on. By these genuine efforts, I am proposing before all of you and requesting all of you to be the part of better Bandra Khar Santa Cruz to work and help me. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ashish. I think you need a drink of water.